Bum, bum, bum. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing, dog. Absolutely amazing. Let me open this. Ain't nobody loves me better. Makes me happy. Makes me feel this way. Ain't nobody. Life threatening US session here. Ba-da-doo. Ba-da-da. Ba-da-doo-doo-doo. Ba-doo-ba-doo. Ba-doo. Ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-doo. Ba-doo-ba-doo. Ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Do. Ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-doo. Ba-doo-ba-doo-doo-doo. Ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Zo. Een kleine foto maken. I'm making a little picture here. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it, homies. Let's get it. Let's get it. Super lovely. Okay. Bam. Badoo. Badoo, badoo, badoo. Badoo, 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 doot. Doobity doop doop. Doobity doobity doop. Alright, guys, give me a little moment, please. Just a little moment to just put some links in. And look, what an amazing master trade. Like this is an amazing master trade. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's been like almost a week since we've been in this trade. That's actually amazing. Okay, let me just post a quick Instagram story so everybody's up to date that we're gonna make lots of money again, which is absolutely amazing. I hope everybody watching this is doing super good. I hope you're all happy and blessed. I woke up very, very good. It's okay. Let me just do this. Bam. Badoo, 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 doo, doo. Join me here. Live trading. Badoo, badoo, badoo. Okay, how's everybody going? How's everybody doing? Let me know. I will start to analyze the charts in a second. Actually ready. Please let me know how the audio is. I would appreciate some feedback on that because I just installed my microphone on this little thing. So yeah, that's about that. Let me open MetaTrader 5 so I can take some trades with you guys. Because of course I want to be able to enter all my trades. So here I will put this chat open again. Voila, in case you guys have questions or whatever. Like that, like a bit more. Now do this also a bit more, and voila. Okay, so what are we trading on right now? Okay, this looks amazing. Top. Alright, so everybody, listen very carefully. I have entered this trade with the VIP. Very, very amazing trade. We're going for 13.82 times what we have risked. This will be my biggest trade of the year. I've currently have my stop right over here, which would still be originally at 7 times what I made, what I risked, which is absolutely amazing. What I'm gonna look for, we just got stopped at a break even on our sell trade. I took this sell trade because I wanted to originally go for a buy, but I saw a quick sell opportunity. We just got hit at break even. I'll mark it out for you guys right over there. So we have a long trade open with the VIP, of course. This is a very long trade. I'm in this trade since last week. So I'm gonna go and look on the 5-minute right now. And we're accumulating. We're accumulating on the 5-minute. We came to fill this. Unfortunately, this is very unfortunately, we hit our break even before we came to hit our take profit level, which was a bit sad. But let's look at what trades we can take. So the 5-minute, I'm bullish. At the end of the day, I'm bullish because also I'm in the buy trade. So of course we're going to be looking only at buys for the moment. So yeah, let's quickly jump into it. I'll put some Godot music on. So we just came to fill this order block. We actually shot a bit through, so probably a couple people got liquidated on this. So now I will be looking to retest. It's a bit tricky at the moment to find the right entry. If we're going to look on the 5-minute, we don't have a lot like laying back here. So we're gonna most likely just create a new high, or we're gonna keep accumulating. So I'm gonna see how the market's reacting before I will be entering any trades. Of course, you guys can just follow the trades and make money out of them. So what I would be looking at the moment would originally be to retest inside of this order block before I will enter a buy. It's not really a valid order block since it's laying, since it's created because of this one. And yeah, I would actually want to drop a bit lower. You know, here this is bond originally. We might even still fill. Same goes for this one. For those of you that didn't see yet my video on order blocks, please join my free group, apply for my free VIP, and ask for and check out the video. Because it's really important. If you want to understand my strategy, you need to understand how order blocks work, because that's basically what we're trading all the time. Because in trading, we're moving from one pocket of liquidity to another pocket of liquidity. So at the moment, we're having a beautiful accumulation on the 5 minutes that is been created. I do want to break out of it to retest the level, but I believe that we, as the US session is going to be open. Hello, bro. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. How is France at the moment? It's been a while since I've actually been in Monaco. For the moment, I've been chilling just here in Dubai. It's actually enjoying it. So you also copy. Yes. I do. You can apply for also the PAM in the VIP, so automatically all your trades will get copied, which is amazing for you guys. I'm a bit tired. Probably gonna look for 1 or 2 trades, as I do have to go in a bit as well. I don't have too much time anymore. Tomorrow there will be a live stream during London session as well for public and the VIP. Okay, so we're creating. At the end of the day, we keep accumulating a little bit. We just came to test it again. 1 minute looks the same. Yeah, I would say we could enter another trade on this order block. Still a decent order block since we have this Fairville gap laying on it. We could also go for a quick sell trade. Might even do that at this point, as we are accumulating the whole time, to be fair. I'm just wanna hello. I just wanna see what the market is doing at the moment. What we could take here. could go for a little trade to enter or buy, because that's originally what I want to do. I would take a bit of a tighter stop loss. To be fair, I'm not entering yet. So, do you mainly trade gold? Yes, I mainly trade gold, and I'm gonna give you guys the reason why again, because gold is always moving in a trend. I used to trade Euro USD, but it's never really moving in a trend. And with moving into a trend, I mean on higher time frames. You know, at the end of the day, if we're gonna look on the 4-hour, okay, we could say, boom, this is moving in a downtrend. Yes, but look at the weekly. At the end of the day, on a weekly or a monthly, we're just moving sideways the whole time, and this is what I don't like about it. So that's why mainly I am trading gold. I used to trade also Bitcoin a lot, but now gold has so many beautiful opportunities. Because if we're looking on the 5 minute before, I actually used to take only, I would say, I used to take around 5 to 6 trades a week. Sometimes even less, sometimes even 1 or 2 or something. And now actually, if we're looking at the 1 minute, there's unlimited amount of opportunities. I think I might enter this sell, by the way. I'm just waiting for a bit more confirmation. We already dropped down, so that's one thing that we're having right over here. Okay, no, we did miss the trade. That's unfortunate a little bit. We did miss the trade. A bit unfortunate, to be honest. It's dropping quite well. Then we'll go for this buy. We'll go for this buy. If you guys want me to analyze any of your charts that you're looking at, if you're not looking at gold, let me know. I will analyze them for you while we're waiting for this to be filled. We could also enter already inside of this fair value gap. So let's see what we are doing right over here. Okay, we could see the US session volume coming into the market. Ooh. Which is absolutely amazing. No, I will not re-enter on this level at the moment. I'll quickly wait. By the way, what I always advise for anybody that has the possibility to do it is trade on a laptop or something, as I always have my MetaTrader 5 open next to it, because then you have the real-time chart. For those of you that don't know, on TradingView you're actually a bit late, so it updates only every 5 seconds, and on MetaTrader 5, for example, it updates every millisecond. Like, you see the chart moving all the time. I don't think I will enter this trade, so let me quickly delete this. We might shoot up and we could actually enter from this top, which could be a thing. Okay, I'm getting some messages here. Let me check. Maybe I do want to risk it, maybe I don't. For those of you that have actually only followed the streams, we are pretty damn profitable, so we could technically risk it, but I'm not sure. I mean, we tested quite a couple times, and this would be the fake out. So I'm not gonna do that at the moment. Okay. Let's see what to do. Just checking how the market's moving with US session that just opened before I'm gonna enter into any trades. So yeah. It's a tricky one. Could also enter on the top that it created. I just want to see it drop down. That's why I'm considering a sell. Overall, I'm pretty bullish. I do want to mention that I'm pretty bullish overall on everything. So I'm not ready yet to enter in a sell. But it's what I would love to see. On the 5 minute, this is not looking quite amazing. This is actually looking quite bullish. Also on the 1 minute. Let's see. Let's see. What we gonna do here? Okay, we're pushing up from here on the 1 minute, which is overall what I did expect. I will most likely do that before having a drop down and a retest. Okay, let's go for that. Okay. See what buys. See, I see this as the accumulation. I see the bit sideways. An accumulation is not always like an accumulation is not always like this, guys. It's not always just between these two bands. It can also be between sideways bands, and it's mostly sideways at the moment. Or yeah, we could take this one also. But I believe we will react here. Since the US session just opened, I will risk a buy. Okay, that's amazing. Let me just go and check this really quick. Super mega amazing. Okay, I do not understand what's happening here, but fine. Top. Okay. So we want to drop either inside of this order block, or we want to drop into this 5 minute one. We're going to risk to take a trade right over here. A buy trade is what I'm looking at, because I really do believe that now we break out of the accumulation. So that's what I want to hit. As always, we will be risking 30 pips on the trade. I'm going to be entering right over here. So now we're just waiting for the drop. Also, please guys, let me know how the audio is. I have no clue if the audio is good or not. So I'm always going my second take profit 3 times for what I risked. Meaning that total, if full TP hit, always first take profit level. So I'm just giving you my strategy. First take profit level is exactly what you risk right over here. No hablo inglés. Mi no hablo español. I could actually understand Spanish because I speak French also. So I could technically just speak a lot of languages. But bro, it's easy to speak English. But come on, give us a proper retest. Yeah, could also go from this top. Yeah, you know, it's pretty pretty dumb to say that you already got banned. It means that you're probably annoying me, so now I will ban you again. Like, how stupid can people be? Like, honestly. It's not hard to be smart, right? Okay, I honestly have this question. I'm waiting for a drop. You could go for a sell, but it's risky. I would only look at buys. It's a more safer option. This is the buy that I want to take originally. If we don't hit this, I will take this. That's the game plan at the moment. This is the game plan at the moment. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'll put some music on. Some music. What kind of music should I go for? What kind of music should I go for this time? I have no clue. I'll just put some house on. Can never go wrong with house music, in my opinion. Okay, amazing. Okay, this is looking good. Starting to drop. So I want to drop inside of this zone. 4141. We want to take a buy. So we might just keep going up. If I look at the 5 minutes, yeah, I should retest the same zone before going up. 15 minutes. Ha ha ha. 15 minutes could just keep moving, but we can retest a little bit. That's what I want to go for. Yeah, for the moment we just keep going up. Wait, I need to charge my phone. Okay, we're dropping. This is nice. Let's drop inside of the zone so I can take our trade. But also, please, guys, tell me how the audio is. Like, I want to know if it's good or not. It's important. Listen up, no, listen up. Okay, this is looking good. Yes, let's keep dropping a little bit. This is looking good. This is looking good. Okay, it's looking good. If we can hit inside of the zone, we can enter. It's good. Okay, thank you so much. We can enter our trade. That was a 5-minute locking. Okay, yes. We should drop. If we go up from here, I would cry to her. Just a test on there. We just want to test 4141. So you can buy in the position. And if we get stopped out, we'll enter inside of this order block, in the 5-minute order block. Okay, 20 pips drop and we can enter in the trade. Okay, we're dropping. Come on. Come on. Okay. 10 pips more and we can enter. Come on. Let's get inside. Let's get inside of this order block. Give us a beautiful entry. 5-minute looking. Didn't close it, okay. If it closes... Okay. That's good, that's good. Couple more pips. Couple more pips. Okay, we just entered into it, but I want to drop a little lower. Okay, that's not what I want to see. Come on. I want to do 4100. I believe we'll take it. Morning. Okay, you can enter. You can enter. We're having a good entry right over here. This is amazing. Okay, first take profit level is gonna be 44 right over here, 44.5. Voila. Stop loss is gonna be 4138. Okay, we hit it really beautifully. How I wanted to enter inside of the trade. I'm really happy with it. Very, very happy with it. Very, very happy. So we're running in profits, which is amazing. Super, super. Super! Super duper! Super duper! If we hit this again, would be really insane, because the winning streak that I'm having on live is actually crazy. It's nice. Para corazón. I don't think we shoot up straight away, to be fair. I think we come to actually go a bit more in a drawdown. Because most of the people have their stop loss if they entered, like in the side of the order block, will have their stop loss like right underneath. Because it shot up straight away. So they might just stop them out. Also might not, and just go up. Let's just see what happens. So far it's running pretty nice, pretty smooth. Because also if we look at the 5 minutes is good. And if the 5 minute runs up, we will run up even more. This I'm pretty sure we come to hit. I'll take profit level. At 43 I will also probably like save my position. 43 and a half. But no, it's not really needed actually. Okay, we're moving up. We need 10 pips. 10 more pips first take profit level hit. You can secure the position by the way with break even at the moment. You can secure it with break even. If you have not set break even. So secure at break even 4100. Secure your position so you cannot lose. Definitely. We're running good. We need 10 pips and we hit first take profit level. 0.50 pips. Super. On the 5 minutes also looking good. 1 minute's pushing up. Okay. What the fuck is this? Okay. Nice, bro. Okay, 5 minutes looking good. Da, 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 da. Let's just run up first take profit level. Come on, let's get it. This candle closure, I don't really love it. Oh, okay, this I love. We'll hit it now. We'll hit it. Almost 100% sure. Yeah, yeah. Bam. First take profit level hit. First TP hit. Let's fucking go. Guess I break even on the second position. I will go for this. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. Oh, after a stressful day for me at the pool, a very stressful day at the beach yesterday, currently in this giant trade at the moment, after all this stress being up, like I'm currently up 10 times what I risked on this trade together with the VIP. After all this stress of making money, it's lovely to make more money. Okay, and this 5-minute candle closure is super amazing, so now we should just run it up. Break out from here, which is amazing. Let's go over to the 1 minute. Can also be that we accumulate, but I don't really see that happening. This would be very beautiful. Yes, still here, yeah. I'll spend most of my winter here, to be honest. Like, I bought also an apartment here, so to stay here during winter. Bro, you need to keep in mind, like, I actually enjoy to work, and I do have the freedom to work from wherever I want. But for those of you that know, like, I'm living mainly in Monaco. Summer is super great, you know. It's super nice. I'm very happy with that, etc. And there's always something to do. But during winter, there's just nothing to do. And if you are a person that has the financials to do whatever you want, whenever you want, you just end up going on vacation all the time because there's nothing to do. At least now that I'm in Dubai, I'm able to go to the pool. I'm able to go to a beach club. I'm able to go to different restaurants. There's different stuff to do. And since I always want to do something, because I can financially support it, it is very, very nice that I'm able to do that and also still have a home to work. Because going on vacation, it's a lot of fun, but I do not like to be every single time in a different environment, in a different hotel, and needing to trade from there and living out of luggage and then coming back to my home and then being bored again. So that's why I decided to also buy an apartment in Dubai and spend most of my time during winter here. Of course, I will do some vacations like Maldives, where I go every year. I will also go to ski, but I will not do it because I'm bored to stay at home, if you guys understand what I mean. And I like to have my home with my setup to be able to trade, and now also being able to live stream with you guys, which is going pretty damn good. Like every single live stream we ended in profit so far. Currently we started this one also with the first TP hit, and hopefully we can hit the next TP as well. So I'm gonna just delete some of this stuff. This accumulation I'm gonna keep. I'm up 20,000 euros. That's amazing. That's super. That's super. Sounds weird. What do you think about the cult? What do you mean culture? Like, I'm not religious, so I will not speak about that. I just believe in myself, to be fair. But I'm not religious, so I will not speak about that. I love it here. No, there's advantages and disadvantages, okay? The safety, but I'm used to the safety. I live in Monaco, so I'm used to the safety. It's safe there. It's big here, so that's also quite nice. You have a bit more stuff to do. You have a lot of nice places. I also live in a building where a lot of my friends are living, which is super amazing. It's very nice to have a lot of people around you. That's super, super awesome. For the rest, yeah, culture-wise, I like it here, you know. I'll tell you a couple of disadvantages. For example, like the air quality, you really notice that it's not super, super amazing. There's a lot of traffic, but again, this I'm used to. In Monaco, it's very, very small, but even to drive 1 or 2 kilometers, sometimes I was on the way for 30 minutes because it was super, super stuck. So that's another thing. like that I would say a disadvantage, the traffic. But for the rest, there's only really advantages. There's a lot of things to do, a lot of people that I know, a lot of opportunities. It's safe, it's warm, so nothing really to complain. I like it here. I enjoy it. It does have a, like, I don't know why it has such a bad name for like online business or whatever. I believe because it's easy to get here. I think I became very credible in the trading space and like online. Like, I'm not really a guru, but like in this space, because I live in a country that you cannot fake it to have something going on for you. I had to really work my ass off to even be noticed there, to be respected. So yeah, it took me a while to like fit in there. But yeah, you cannot fake it either, which I also like, which I enjoy. In Dubai it's cheaper, but still they're still expensive stuff. For example, I live in a 5-star hotel. It's not cheap here, you know. You can live here cheap, but that's boring. So yeah. Let's just knock his top out at break even here. Go for a second take profit level. And then go for another trade. We need like 70 pips more. Overall good. Overall, it's going well. Let me just take some water. Okay, still going well. Ooh, shit. It's, damn it. In 30 minutes I do have to go, to be fair. So I think we'll write this trade out and then I will have to end the live stream, unfortunately. Because I do have to go. Tomorrow I will be live, London session also. I will be live a bit longer. So far this trade is also going well. Also, if we shoot up, so if we break structure to the upside, I want to break structure to the upside right over here. If we break structure to the upside right over here, I will also protect my position. I will put my stop loss at our first take profit level. And then let it run from there. But I do want to break out of that level first. So let's see what happens. Today, if I'm not mistaken, is a public holiday. Like, I know in Belgium, where I'm born, is like public, is like a holiday, like 11/11. But also, to be fair, I don't really care about holidays. Every day is pretty much the same. Come on, let's not accumulate on this 1 minute. Come on. I want to hit this trade. I also don't understand, why do we have such low volume? What's the VIX saying? Volatility index. So if you're wondering why I'm checking the volatility index for Nasdaq and stuff, guys, if the volatility on there is high, it will be high on every market. Just letting y'all know. But I'm pissed off. Why are we accumulating on the 1 minute? Come on. I don't want to get stopped out at break even. Yeah, I'm always so tired of these accumulations. Bum bum be dum bum bum. Hey, we started shooting up so beautifully, but now we're like slowing down. And we're starting to accumulate. Unless we break down here. I'm sure it's not an accumulation. Okay, yeah. I mean, we could enter another trade on the order that we're laying at the moment. But I believe we'll okay, this is good. This is amazing. I also still am not sure if the audio is like very good or not. Okay, we came to fill this order block. Not stopped out yet. That's good. I'm considering to open another position, to be fair. See if we get stopped out of break even. We have our next trade open already. There you go. Okay, yes, I'm stopped out of break even. Okay, that's sad. Okay, so first tick power level was hit. That's okay. I believe we need to look for something lower, yeah, for like this one before going up more, but this also looks so bad. And the 15-minute looks like this. I might just leave it here. I might just not open a new position, to be fair, because also in half an hour I have to go anyway. Yeah, I might just leave it here. Just not bad. So a bit of a short stream, but I do have to go in a bit. We hit first take profit level, which was positive R, which is good. Also, yeah, I am still at the moment. I made $179 this week for my signals. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for the kind words. And yeah, at the moment we are still up 10 times what we risked on swing trade. This is a huge trade. This is probably gonna be my biggest. This is at the moment my biggest trade of the year. I risked 5% of my entire account. I'm currently up 10 times what I risked. It's 50% that I'm up. I protected my position at 7 times what I risked so far. Just 30% on my whole account. On a large account is a lot of money. On a swing trade, this will be my best trade of the year. It's we entered 3,940. We're currently 200 pips in profit. I'm super happy with that. For those of you that want to get access to these signals, guys, you can get access to them for 100% for free. Next to that, you can also get access to all my education, so to learn my strategy, etc. And you can still get access to this for 100% for free. So if you haven't already, please go and check the link down below in my description, or check out my Instagram. I regularly post results of my members on how much they're making. I'm also doing these live streams so you guys can see the performance of the trades before applying for my public VIP, for my private group. So yeah, for those of you that are interested, that want more trades, etc., and that are ready, and you have your own money to invest, because of course you need your own money, that's the only thing that you do, please send me a message or join my group, check everything out, check out what's inside the group, and then you can benefit from it for 100% for free for now. I will make it paid soon because the results are incredible, and I can definitely put a price on it, because it's just fair, it's just worth it. For the moment, I'm still doing everything for free, so if you haven't already, make sure you check it out, either my Instagram or straight the link down below somewhere on this video, that you can join my open group where you get the explanation to my VIP. Peace out, guys. Have a great rest of your Monday, and I'll be back tomorrow for a live stream during London session.